All right, today we're gonna bring some nice smooth wheels. Now, currently this is our desk here, and we work out of this system, and it's a little short. If you guys can see, it's a little short because of the wheels too. So it doesn't elevate too high, but this actually is gonna raise it up a little bit more, even better. And look at this. Look how quiet it is right now. With this one, it's actually scratching the floor. You could hear them, and you're gonna see the difference on this. So on this one, I'm just gonna throw it out there. Look at that. That's how far it goes, all right? And that was one push. We're gonna try with these and see how far they go, but these are supposed to be a lot better too. And easy to set up pretty much on any chair. Just pop the old ones out, put the new ones in, you're ready to go. If you guys ever rollerblade or skateboard, these are the kind of smoothness that you get, all right? So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, let's go ahead and replace it. Replace it, just pop out easily, and then you pop the next one in, all right? And if you can't hit it, you can hit it with a hammer, or just your weight can do it too. So pop them out. There we go. There we go. Well, I like the smoothness of it. You can pretty much move it anywhere. I like the actual balance of it. It's a lot better than the last ones I had. The last ones were hitting everywhere. I had this hair stuck in here all the time. I do have animals, and I had to oil these once in a while. These are a perfect replacement.